Let's do a raised stencil over the top of the distressed pallet wood decoupage paper from Dixie Belle. I love this decoupage paper. I wanted to use it as a background for a more distressed look, so I'm adding a raised stencil using Dixie mud. You can use any stencil for this. The stencils from Dixie Belle also work great. My inspiration here is sort of an old plaster look where maybe it's worn away over the top of the pallet wood for a really nice distressed look. Once I'm done with my raised stencil and it's nice and dry, I'm going to lightly sand and add some dark waxes to give it a lot of character. I did make sure to seal my decoupage paper in satin clear coat before applying my Dixie mud. I'm just scraping a coat of the Dixie mud over the top of my stencil using a spatula tool. I make sure to fill all the holes of my stencil as evenly as possible. Because this is a very aged and distressed look, I like some variation in the height of my stencil. When I pull my stencil away, you can see the raised relief that the Dixie mud gives up against the paper background. If you enjoyed this video, you can find more Brush by Brandy on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube.